Magano lang kami. We're just gonna dip and then go back, then balik na kasi we have a reservation on 12. Kids, 10 minutes lang. We need to go back by 11:30 because we have a reservation on 12:30. Flex mo nga sir yung ano mo, polarized mo na goggles.
Bilang kita. Kaibigan meron.
Iyan no, ganda. Your Uncle Don was just sabon.
What happened?
He got grilled. Kasi si Jebby just went back by himself daw. Alam ko sumama siya kay Angel kasabay sa likod. So she was still sabond. Why man ka storya na pabalikon na. Oo.
Dad, what this?
Sabon. Manny, do the crying face for Don.
Dad, what
May, guys, may bully oh. Minihila ako sa Manny.
Dad, swim. Do breast with it.
Manny, don't. Yung GoPro kasi magagarbled. Ito, nangulog oh. Ikaw, bully ka dyan ka. Diyan ka. Mas mataas dito. Mas mataas to. Doon mas mababa.
Tatay mo sa mama.
Sir, recorded ka. Bully ka sa... Bully.
I-post me.
Guys, bully talaga to. Nasuka ako sa tubig. Bully talaga to. Buti lang recorded.